What's up, guys? So making a video on my '03 Acura RSX. It was my wife's first vehicle that she owned and financed, and it was originally a solid black color when I met her, and then I ended up painting it as a gift. I don't know if it was a birthday or just a gift. I don't remember, but I ended up painting it candy pink that flipped from pink to purple. And I did that, I don't know, probably 8 years ago, I want to say. Yeah, probably 8 years ago. And it's been parked for 4 years now, or 3 years. So I decided to do something with it just because it's been parked around and I don't want to get rid of it. I told my oldest daughter that it's her car as long as she helps me, get it all together. So we already started working on it. As you can see, all the body work is pretty much done. Just gonna look it over since it's been in primer for a little while now. Let's see what else. I did do the door jambs. The door jambs are painted. This is how it's looking right now. So, see, I have to primer this right here. But that's about it. Everything else is in primer. I am gonna primer the whole entire car. Just cover the whole. Primer it, seal it. Not sure if I want to seal it or just give it a 2K primer. But I might just give it a 2K primer. Let's see. The interior. This is a 2006 interior. I bought it. Front, back. The front and back seats. Let's see. Just to show you guys the color of the door jambs. This is the color that it's going to be. So, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's a green, but when the light hits it, it turns gold. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up how intense the gold is. So just moving the camera around, see if it grabs it. So that's it. I did do the headliner also in red. I still have to do these parts, but my wife doesn't agree with the red. It is a red suede. I did do it good. She just doesn't agree with it because the car is going to be green and the headline is red. She thinks I'm going to be celebrating Christmas all year round. The wheels that I am looking at are probably going to be a gold. And I mean like a 14 karat gold. Not necessarily real 14 karat, but that kind of gold, not gold paint. So this is it. So, I also painted the roof black a couple years ago. Also, it's been sitting, so it's not. But I'm gonna just sand it down and re-clear it with the rest of the body. And I might sand down the body once it's cleared. I might sand it down again and re-clear it. And I might just clear the roof again at that time too. I just want it to look like a 3D effect. Or kind of like how the females' nails look when they do acrylic nails. How the color of the nails look really in depth. It gives it that look. And that's the way you would get it out of, paint, is giving it, I usually give it 3 coats of clear and then let that dry for a little while. Then you wet sand it, clear it again with another 3 coats, wet sand it, and then at that point you can, cut and buff, or you can give it another, layer of clear coat. I want this to look like glass once I'm done. I am looking for the '06 taillights, back bumper, front bumper, and headlights. Haven't been able to find a good deal on them. I'm not looking for free, but I am looking for a good deal. So hopefully by the time I am ready to lay down paint, I will have those parts. If not, it's okay. I just need it done. So I'll update you guys as I go. Know if I want to record the whole time I'm setting up the car, or I might do that in certain parts, the interesting parts, but I don't know. I'll decide as I go. Alright, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. So I prepped the roof. The roof is almost ready to... Let me see, the roof is all set. Basically all I need to do is hit these edges right here with the gray scuff pad, because I don't want to hit it with the sandpaper, because I'm definitely going to break through them, and I don't want to break through them, so that's why I'm going to hit them with the scuff pad lightly. In here also, I'm going to hit it with the scuff pad. I did paint it black, because obviously the pink, was up in there, and I had to tape it up in a way that no pink was going to show. So that's why you can see that, everything is perfect. So I removed the screws to the sunroof. There's only 2 on each side. They're 5mm Allen keys. So there's only 2 on each side. You just have to crack the sunroof open, probably like 1.5 inches, and you're able to access them through the inside. So all you do is wiggle it, and it should come, unless, let me see. Yeah, I think I am missing one. I think I am missing an Allen key. Yeah, it's right there. Let me see. Sorry, so there's 3 on each side, not 2. Sorry about that. I want to see how do I reach them. Yeah, I'm able to reach them with the sunroof. Yeah, should be able to reach them with the sunroof, just cracked. Just the back cracked. I'll go grab the Allen key from the right here. I'm using 2 different kind, depending which one I can use to access the screws. So I was using this one to free them up, and then I was using the other one to take them out the rest of the way. It isn't difficult at all. It's pretty easy. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to use this one on that back. So let me see if I can. time with this one. I think I got it. Yeah. Once you just crack them off, crack them loose, they come up pretty freely. So you're able to just do it with your fingertips. Just gonna get in here and see if I can just it's almost right there at the edge, so that's the reason why it doesn't want to come out, where it's just stuck. There it goes. See if I can reach this other side. It's cracked. Able to do it with my finger. Okay, got the screw. Put it in there. Put these in there. Go back out. Now you should be able to just grab it and pull it out. I'll put that in a safe place in the trunk. Probably the safest place that I have here. Now we're able to completely see. Put these screws in the cup holder with the other ones. Now I can probably shut those. Shut the sunroof. Now you can see the whole edge of the sunroof, and I'm gonna hit that with the scuff pad, re-tape this with paper, and then re-clear it, and that'll be it. Because I am not painting the roof, I'm just re-clearing it, just to give it that extra layer of clear. So hit this with the gray scuff pad, hit this edge with the gray scuff pad, and then the front and back. Well, not the front, I did the front. The back. The front, I ended up finding some rust throughout the edge, so I hit it with a wire brush, sandpaper, try to get some, most of the rust off, and then I coated it with POR 15, I think it is. It's POR 15, and that's it. The molding goes here, so I really don't, the molding goes quite a bit up, it goes up to here, so you'll never see the gray. And I did a straight line all across, so it looks, it'll look good. That's about it. So once I have it all scuffed, I'll show you guys, and then I'll start taping it. All right.